anything.
No.
Oh, he's not gonna like this.
Anything?
No.
Oh, he's not going to like this.
Oh.
What did I tell him?
We have proven that the little green men think and feel as one. We just don't know how.
Oh, he's not gonna like this at all.
Oh, now what?
He didn't like it.
Evil Emperor Zurg, hi, how are you? The torture tank is good to go here, as you can see, and I got everything. My bad.
We are one. Oh! We will never talk. Do your worst.
My plan exactly.
Blast. Laser-resistant diabonic alloy.
Let me try.
Yes?
After you.
Excuse us. Coming through.
Get back in the ship and wait.
No!
Now, I know this is personal for you, but I must insist.
No!
Okay, we're getting into a chain of command area here, so really...
We feel the pain. No!
Oh, right. It's their mind link thing.
How do you do that anyway?
The Unimind.
Unimind?
The mystical orb that links all of LGM kind. It's on their homeworld. Of course, that's need to know classified.
I'm your partner. I need to know.
Now you do.
Anything else I should know?
No, I'd say you're up to speed.
Okay, thank you.
Tell me of your mind link. Tell me your secret.
Never!
No, I'll just have to pick your brains. Where's my cranial dissectable? Lightyear.
Evil Emperor Zurg, by the authority of the Galactic Alliance, you are hereby charged with attempted dissection of Star Command personnel.
I shall destroy your Galactic Alliance, but first, I shall destroy you! Well, not personally. Hornets, destroy Boss Lightyear! Prepare to die, Buzz Lightyear!
Not today, Zurg! Up on!
Back up?
Always a dramatic entrance, Warp. Let's go after Zurg.
Not today, Lightyear, for I started the self-destruct sequence on my way out. It is a moon of doom now.
Self-destruct in 60 seconds.
60 seconds?
All the time in the world.
Get to the ship! Blast off!
But Buzz!
That's an order! We'll meet you in orbit!
Self-destruct in 45 seconds.
Farewell, Lightyear! This time, you shall not escape!
Just watch me, Zurg. Come on, Warp! It's time to blow this rock!
Self-destruct in 10 seconds.
Get out of here!
No!
Go!
We're partners!
Self-destruct in 3, 2, 1.